what's going on, everyone? My name is Miguel Alvarado with Corcoran Global Living, and I am here at my newest listing in the city of San Pablo. You are close to Pinole and the water. That is very beautiful. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,204 square footage, and it is listed at $655,000. So now, let's go and take a tour of the home. Now that is the end of the tour of this lovely home. If you or anyone is interested in taking a look at it, please send me a direct message. All my contact info is in the description below, even my social medias. Take care, have a good day.